Welcome back, everyone. Jon Films Project Integra. This is the Auxbeam giveaway. We have the FN-B2. So I'm going to give away the ones that are already open, and now they should fit no problem. The FN-B2s, which are the ones that switch from white to yellow. The winner of that goes to Garage Bill Hondas. Well then, that was unexpected. I guess this is I already know where this is going. So congratulations on everybody who won. I hope you guys enjoy the content so far.
Hey guys, welcome back. Just a real quick video today. I want to say thank you to Jon Films. I won these in one of his subscriber giveaways about 2 to 3 months ago. I want to share these with you really quick. This is a really cool LED headlight that is a dual color, and it's such an easy install. Now this is a really simple install. This plugs into your harness, this goes into the headlight. Simple as putting in a regular halogen headlight. This one's cool. It's a dual color. It says it on here, I don't know if you can read it. And you can see it on the bulb. You see the 2 rows of LEDs on there. They're both different colors. I'll show you exactly how that works. Okay guys, I got them installed. I'm going to turn them on real quick. I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap from one color to the other. It's as easy as just turning your lights on and off. So what do you guys think? This color looks more like a 6000K. The other color looks similar to the amber on the corner lights and the bumper lights. Really cool mod if you just want to swap your headlights, use the different colors. Obviously the other one probably get you pulled over if a cop catches you. But I think it would be interesting to swap it back real quick as he pulls you over and he comes to look at your headlights again and they look normal. He'd probably just be questioning whether or not he did see that color on your car. But Jon Films, thanks again. Love checking out your Project Integra build. If you guys haven't followed him already, click in the upper right corner. I'm going to link his channel. He has some cool stuff going on with his Integra that he keeps working on, and looks like he's going to go boost this year. But give him a follow as well. Thanks for watching, guys. And Jon, thanks again for the headlights. I love them.